There's a hummingbird over there eating from my zinnias. Y'all see that? That is awesome. I'm zoomed in as much as I can. I'm on my cell phone, old iPhone 6, so sorry about that. The only camera I have out here with me is my GoPro. Thanks to you for visiting me. Oh, that's right. There it is. Oh, it's coming back, visiting my cucumber plant. Y'all see it right? Oh, right there. Oh, going back over to the flowers. That's right there. That is very awesome. This video will be titled "The Day a Hummingbird Visited Gear's Garden," or Gear Garden's Visitor. I mean, that's awesome. And a dragonfly, don't know if it picked that up or not. Alright, I'm gonna end this. Hopefully some folks enjoy it. I'm gonna stay in here and enjoy it and finish the other videos I'm working on right now. So hummingbird and Gear's Garden. That's awesome. I mean, it's got like a bright green on it. It's probably enjoying the lavender too, or normal people call it lavender. But that's awesome. How many times have I said that's awesome? I don't care, because that's awesome. If you don't think that's awesome, you need to enjoy nature more. Man. Alright. Thank you for coming by. Looks like you're still visiting the straight 8 cucumber plants over there. Still back to the flowers. I mean, I could sit and watch this for hours. Okay, we gotta go now. Y'all have a good one. Bye for now. Oh man.